Today what we got is a 2006 Dodge Caravan. We're gonna replace the radiator, and see how it goes. I'll keep sharing with you step by step. First we gotta take off these things, and then we gotta take off that thing, and then we gotta take off the hoses. So let's get started. Yeah, I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So where we're at now is had to take out these two, which was a 13 millimeter. That one right there was a 10. I had a little bit of problem with you see the switch there, goes to the fan, goes to the fan. And now, if you can see down there, that clamp to the hose. I'm trying to get you a better. There you go. They clamp to the hose. It's like almost upside down. It's like kind of 180. So I can't grip it. I can't go underneath of it to try to go underneath and try to get it off. So I'm probably gonna have to cut that off and hope I can squeeze it back on. But this is out. It's two things here that you gotta squeeze out. One on that side, one on that side. You gotta squeeze them out. And the other thing is, I'll show you when I take it all the way off, but there's some hooks that this thing here sits in on top of the radiator. So it's going to be interesting putting it back. So what I had to do is see this clamp here. This didn't want to come off. You see the angle of it? So I cut this a little bit. As soon as I cut that, it cut the rest of the hose off, so that I needed to come off so it could pop out. But now we gotta take these off and transfer them to the other one. And this is what it looks like. It's the other one there. Yep. I don't know where it was leaking at, but apparently it was leaking somewhere. Yeah, we'll open up the new one, put the new one in, and that'll be that. We gotta get this out. This goes onto the new one. Yep. Yeah, so this is the new one. Put these tools out the way. Get this here. I still ain't see this movie yet. It's just, for me, I don't know. You grow up with the real thing. All the animated series and all that. Just don't want to be disappointed. But yep. Fan there. Open up this box and show you what's going on. So this one actually came pretty well packaged. I don't need to transfer these things. They are already there. Brand new. And the package was very, very well sealed up. From Auto Shack. Yep, so let's do the install. So I almost forgot to show you. See these things here? That clip, that's what your AC compressor unit sits on top of that. So we'll see how this works out. So we put the radiator in, remember? It's been running pretty decent for the last few days. Yes, dirty. That thing looks what it looks like. So the thermostat goes. So eventually we changed that. But finished that. It broke down again. We had to get another whatever you call this thing, sensor. And then that black wire right there. So it broke down twice. And that wire right there is supposed to be like a 5-volt wire or something like that. But yeah, it broke down. They put put that on and put that on. $300 for 2 screws and a wire. But woke up today, yep, still got to work on this guy, get him cleaned up and everything. But so far, put the coil pack, that's what that thing is. It runs through spark plug wires, and it's very simple. It's just some screws. You just so we got to change them also. But yeah, this is how it's been going.